Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review. Today's video is going to be an exciting one because we're unboxing the amazing Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft Medium Olive. This iconic silhouette has returned with a fresh new look, rich textures, and earthy tones that give it a unique character. So if you're a sneakerhead looking for a piece that blends heritage with modern craftsmanship, this one's for you. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality and craftsmanship that went into making this shoe. The medium olive colorway gives it a classy, timeless vibe that pairs well with almost any outfit. The suede and nubuck materials feel premium to the touch, making this more than just a stylish pick. It's built to last. What I really love about the Jordan 4 SE Craft Medium Olive is how it's designed for both comfort and performance. Thanks to its visible air unit in the sole, you get that signature cushioning that supports your every step. Whether you're rocking these sneakers for a casual walk, a night out, or some quick pickup basketball, they've got you covered. The design elements truly stand out. The upper blends olive green nubuck and suede textures, making this a beautifully crafted piece of footwear. The side panel features a grid pattern inspired by classic mesh designs, and the black accents on the molded eye stays and side wings give the shoe that bold, sharp finish. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me on this unboxing and review. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to See My Review for more unboxings and reviews every week. Stay tuned for more exciting sneakers and stories. If you're a sneaker lover or someone who appreciates quality fashion, then you've got to check out seemyreviewcops, one of the best online destinations for premium sneakers and streetwear. This site has quickly become a go-to spot for people who want the hottest kicks and fashion essentials, all in one place. What really sets seemyreviewcops apart is its huge range of products. They've got everything from timeless classics like the Air Jordan and Yeezy collections, to the latest limited releases and trending silhouettes. Whatever your style, you're almost guaranteed to find it here. And it's not just about the selection, it's about the quality and service too. At seemyreviewcops, every item goes through a meticulous quality check, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best. They've built a strong reputation for providing authentic sneakers and fashion items at prices that won't break the bank. They accept secure payment methods, making the ordering process smooth and worry-free, and they also offer speedy shipping, so you don't have to wait long to unbox your new favorite pair. Another thing that really shines with seemyreviewcops is their outstanding customer service. If you have any questions about sizing, availability, or anything else, their team is quick to respond and always happy to help. They understand how important it is for sneaker lovers and fashion enthusiasts to get exactly what they're looking for. And that's why they've built a service that's truly tailored to the needs of the customer. So, if you're looking for a trusted site that delivers quality,